airflow issue, either inside wasn't working correctly. That's the reason. There's so many variable factors that you can think about it. But as of now, this capacitor is also going down. So this is 5, right now showing like 44. Let's stabilize the Freon and we'll go from there. Right now we just start up, so it's going crazy right now. Comment below what you think. Time to change out this capacitor first, and also the inside has number 10 MFD capacitor was going down, so we're gonna swap it out with this, and after that we go from there and we can check the pressure. This capacitor was bad. Right now I'm gonna put this down for now. We're gonna fix it the right size. After changing the both of the capacitor, now let's see what it does. Right now it's running at full speed, so we'll see what will the temperature show us on the PSIG in the unit. Because it was running at full speed inside the blower and the outside. I'm pretty sure it looks like it either has a leak or somehow the Freon came out. 30 PSIG was too low to run this unit, so we had to add the Freon. Also the number plate was wiped out. Look at this in the sun. If you look at this way, you can see it. If you look at it in the dark spot, you cannot even see it, right? So I have a trick for you guys. It's easy way to read the number tag. To use a permanent marker, I'm using a capacitor like a box because I don't want to dirty my hands. So I'm putting all the marker here and then just rub it like that. You can read it now. Simple and easy. So we have a TXV. So we are adding a 407C in the system. Right now it's 9.6 subcooling, 38 superheat, but we need to drop down to 18 to make the system function properly.
look at the blower motor wheel. It was really dirty. Also, inside I'll show you how the ductwork looks like. It was pretty bad. When I take out the filter, look at inside. It was pretty bad shape, so they have to do the duct cleaning to make the system running efficiency wise. Otherwise, we're gonna break down again, like right now.